Assalamu alaikum, my all friends and viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good evening. How are you, my all friends? I am fine and I hope my all viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks for my love everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please yours also pray for me. I hope waiting minutes video circles are over today bring some special beautiful crochet table runner ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. Very nice beautiful ideas, most demanding and good looking ideas, top trendy and stylish, and more simple and some are beautiful outstanding ideas. So please viewers, you must watch my video till the end. Beautiful ideas and top trendy ideas. Some are beautiful light color, dark color, color contrast, paint ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, beautiful and good looking ideas, stylish and top trendy, most demanding ideas. Beautiful good looking table runner, crochet pattern. Very nice. So viewers, please go to pin comment section, follow my channel, press the bell icon, and viewers, when you press the bell icon you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about different. You can see video in my channel about different crochet pattern, beautiful crochet ideas. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet table runner, and you can see many more ideas about crochet pattern like crochet dresses, frock, poncho, blouses, baby frocks, maxis, shawls, table runner, frock, cushion, bed sheet, blouses. Very nice. Hopefully like this, and these are beautiful ideas for you, for your sweet home. And please like and share my video with your family friends. Good looking pattern. Follow my channel, press the bell icon, and when you press the bell icon you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crochet pattern. Very nice. Most demanding and beautiful ideas, good looking pattern. Very nice. So please follow my channel, good pin comment section, press the bell icon. Very nice. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers. Allah Hafiz.